Let us continue the fourth question from exercise 3.1. The sum of the digits of a three-digit number is 11. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46, more than 5 times the former number. If the hundred digit is plus hundreds digit plus twice the tens digit is equal to the units digit, then find the original three-digit number. Okay, first of all, we have to consider a three-digit number. Actually, the digit three-digit x, y is set. This is the three-digit number, but you cannot write x, y, z. In the algebra, we know x, y, z means x into y into z. It is the different meaning in three-digit number. So you should not write like this, but you keep in the mind the number is x, y, z. So ones place is z, tens place is y, and hundreds place is x. Okay, so you consider that and do the sum. Understood? So first of all, we can take that let x be the hundreds digit, y be the tens digit, and z be the unit digit or ones place units digit of the required three digit number. Therefore, how to write the required number? Required number is actually 329. If the number is like this, how to write in the expanded form? 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1 or 9. Okay, like the same way we are going to write hundreds digit into 100. Okay, then tens place into 10, then ones place. Okay, so how to write? The required number is x into 100, that is 100x, plus 10 into y, okay, that is 10y, plus z. Are you all clear about this? X is at hundreds place. Here we written as 3 into 100. Here we written as 100 into 3 in the reverse order. But the product, when you write in the algebra, we have to write the coefficient first, then variable. Okay, so 100x plus 10y plus z is the correct procedure. Now, if the required number is like this, what about the reverse number? Xy is the z is the required number. Okay, what about the reversed number? Reverse number is zyx. How to write that number? Implies reversed number is 100z plus 10y plus x. Are you all clear? Now we can start to write using the condition. First condition is sum of the digits of a three-digit number is 11. The digits are x, y, z. So sum of the digit means x plus y plus z equal to 11. Condition 1, x plus y plus z equal to 11. You consider this is equation number 1. Okay, this is the first condition. Then the second condition is if the digits are reversed. Third condition is if the hundreds digit plus twice of tens digit. Yes, what about the second condition? If the digits are reversed, the new number is 46 more than 5 times the former number. Former number means required number. Okay, what is the reversed number? It is this. So 100 is set plus 10y plus x. This is the reversed number. Reversed number is same as 46 more than, that means plus 5 times the former number is the required number 100x plus 10y plus z. Are you all clear? Yes, how to simplify now? We can make an equation with the variables in same one side and a number constant in other side. So we can simplify, which implies 100z plus 10y plus x equal to 46 plus 500x, multiply this, plus 50y plus 5z. Okay, now take all the x terms, y terms and z terms in the same side. Better you keep the x coefficient in the positive form. 500x, here x. So take this x, the left side values all take to the right side. Okay, this all together you take to this side. So you will get 500x minus x, it is 499x, 50y minus 10y, it is plus 40y. Next you be careful, my plus 5z minus 100z. So minus 95z equal to this 56 will come to the other side. Okay, it is 46 will change it as minus 46. Are you clear? So the equation is 499x plus 40y minus 95z equal to minus 46. It is equation number 2. Next, third equation. What is the third condition? If the hundreds digit plus twice tens digit is equal to units digit. Okay, condition 3. Hundreds digit is hundreds place, it is x. So x plus twice the tens digit, it is 2y equal to units digit is z. Okay, for solving the equation we need all the variables in the same side. So we can rearrange x plus 2y, x z you take to other side, it is minus z equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Okay, you get 3 equations in 3 variables, you can solve it easily. Yes, you can see the first and second third equation. It is easily you can solve and make it as a 2 variable. According to that, adjust with the second equation also. Okay, see the first equation and third equation, x coefficients are same, so you can eliminate by subtracting, or you can eliminate the z coefficient by adding. Okay, now I add and eliminate the z term first. So 1 plus equation 1 plus equation 3. Before that we can write, after making the equation you have to write solving 1, 2 and 3. So equation 1 plus 3 gives x plus x 2x, y plus 2y it is 3y, z plus minus z. So z minus z is 0, then 11 plus 0 equal to 11. Okay, so this is the fourth equation. Now we can try to adjust this try to find another equation with the second equation in 2 variables. Okay, x and z, only x and z. So we have to eliminate the y term. Now if you multiply by 95 you can eliminate the y term. Okay, so we can multiply first equation with 95. Equation 1 into 95 implies, what is the equation, x plus y plus z equal to 11. So with all coefficients you multiply that, it means 95x plus 95y plus 95z equal to 11 into 95, that is 1045. Okay, so this you consider as equation number 5. Okay, now we can we can use this fifth equation with the second equation and eliminate the z term. Okay, so here we can add it, since in the second equation we have minus 95, here we have plus 95, so we can add second equation and the fifth equation. You will get 499 plus 95, that is 594x. Then y term 95y plus 40y, it is 135y. Z term anyway it is cancel, minus 95z plus 95z cancel. Next one 1045 minus 46. Okay, we are adding, but in the second equation we have minus 46. So 1045 minus 946 is equal to 999. You consider this is equation number 6. Now we can use the fourth equation and sixth equation for finding the value of the variable. Okay, this fourth equation and the sixth equation. Before noting the sixth equation, we can reduce this. We can reduce the coefficient first using 9 table. 5 9s are not 6 9s are 54, remainder 5, again 6 9s are 54. Here 1 9 is 9, 9 5s are 45. Okay, not using 9 table. Next using 9 table, 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9. Next you can cancel using the 3 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, remainder to 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so these are the coefficients. So we can reduce and write this equation as 22x plus 5y plus equal to 37. This is the equation number 6. Now you can use the sixth equation and fourth equation for solving. It is easy now. Okay, anyway one of the variable in one of the equation you have to multiply. Better you multiply the fourth equation into 11. Okay, since fourth equation into 11 you will get as 22x plus 33y equal to 11 into 11 121. Okay, this is the seventh equation. You can solve the sixth and seventh. Okay, so to x term you can eliminate by subtracting. Equation 6 minus 7, you can eliminate 22x minus 22x cancel. 5 minus 33 it is minus 28. Next 37 minus 121, it is minus 28y minus 84. From this we can find out the y value. It is using the 7 table. First you cancel. 4 7s are 28, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 24. Negative negative cancel. Now using the 4 table, 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So y is equal to 3. Okay, you get the value y equal to 3. Next we can apply this value y in the fourth equation. Therefore equation 4 implies 2x plus 3 into 3 equal to 11. Okay, which implies 2x plus 9 equal to 11. So what is the 2x value? 11 minus 9 is 2. So what about the x value? It is 1. Okay, so you get the x is equal to 1. You can cancel this way. The same procedure what we done earlier, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So you get x is equal to 1. Now you can apply this x and y value in the first equation. So first equation becomes x, that means 1, plus y value it is 3, plus z equal to 11. So z plus 4 equal to 11. So what about the z value? Z is equal to 11 minus 4, that is 7. 11 minus 4, yeah, that is 7. Okay, so z value is 7. So we can write the digit now. X value 1, y value 3, z value 7. So the 3 digit number is 137. Okay. Answer. The original 3 digit number is x value y value, z value. So 137. Are you all clear?